Hello, hello guys. I have my problem with my 2006 Grand Caravan. Like when I turn the hazard on, it blinks here in the front. But when I came here outside, there is no hazard light with this one, and the headlight turn off in the back. There is no hazard light. I turn here, no hazard light. So when I come inside the dashboard, it is working. Turn it off. Try the turn signal light. When I turn signal light, there is no turn signal. So turn off. There's no turn signal here. This is 2006 Grand Caravan. So here you go. Does anybody know the symptom? Please help me. Thank you.